Hello, my name is Jim Caruthers. I'm the Skidmore Professor of Chemical Engineering at Purdue. My research area is Polymer Science and Engineering, where my group does both experimental studies and model development. There are two focus areas. The first is the relaxation behavior of glassy polymers and related small molecules, and the second is the kinetics of catalytic olefin polymerization. I have been at Purdue 40 years, but my path here was somewhat unusual. My BS degree is in chemistry, where I was initially planning on attending medical school. During my junior year, I took a microbiology course, one of those courses where they showed a picture of a cell with 100 parts, each with a different name, and then on the next page they had another picture with 100 new names, and I found out I could not memorize. Thus, medical school with its infinite memorization of the parts and names of all the organs was not a wise career choice. I then decided that polymers was a good area that combined both my love of molecules with materials that had important applications. Since polymer work is primarily centered in chemical engineering versus chemistry, a transition into chemical engineering was appropriate. Perhaps a career trajectory from chemistry into chemical engineering is something that might interest you as well. For nearly 16 years, I was the director of a graduate program in chemical engineering. Thus, I have considerable experience in guiding students with an undergraduate degree in chemistry into a graduate program in chemical engineering. Recently, I've taken special interest in students with a BS in chemistry that enter our professional MS program in chemical engineering. As part of Purdue's professional MS program, I'm responsible for two courses in the fall semester. The first is a required course for all chemists entering the MS program in engineering mathematics. This course provides the mathematical tools that will be used in other courses in the MS curricula. We will first review some topics from pre-calculus and calculus, and then introduce simple differential equations, which are used in chemical kinetics, heat and mass transfer, and other chemical engineering applications. The second course is an introduction to polymer science and engineering, where the course provides a survey of the various types of polymer materials and the polymerization processes used to produce these materials. Both these courses provide an excellent transition from chemistry to chemical engineering. I believe that there are special opportunities for individuals that have a combined BS in chemistry and then a graduate degree in chemical engineering. Let me explain why. Chemical engineering students typically take one semester of organic chemistry that they may then quickly forget and never take a course in inorganic chemistry. Instead, they learn how to take a general molecule A, react it with B to make C. But no chemical company makes C. They make real molecules with real chemical reactions, where every molecule has its own unique personality. In contrast, chemists learn how to make real molecules in small quantities in laboratory glassware. However, the making of molecules at scale requires consideration of fluid flow, heat and mass transfer, control of large reactors, and other process considerations. There is a real opportunity for individuals that can sit at the interface between chemistry and chemical engineering. It is this type of interface person you can become as a graduate of Purdue's professional MS program in chemical engineering. I would like to personally invite you to seriously consider the professional MS program at Purdue. We have a demonstrated track record in the transition between chemistry and chemical engineering. We have a number of successful graduates of the MS program that entered with a BS in chemistry. And we have several faculty members, like myself, that have a chemistry pedigree that can provide good mentorship. If you have additional questions about the Purdue program and how it might meet your career plans, please don't hesitate to reach out to me by email. We can even set up a follow-on phone call if needed. Good luck in your future endeavors, and I hope to see you at Purdue next fall. Goodbye, and have a productive rest of your day.